Hey, what's going on, brother?
What's going on?
I'm Harassed Dallas Police Department. How you guys doing today?
Going good.
Appreciate it.
I'm in the trap every day. What? Stay in the trap, get racks every day. She fuck with me now. I told her to lay my hook in the water. She liking my babe. Ain't saving a hoe. I don't wear a cave. You beef with me, don't think you ever safe. I hop in the foreign and dry like a race. We sipping the Henny, I don't need a chase. We dodging the feds and catching no case. I stay in the trap, get racks every day. She fuck with me now. I told her to lay.
Make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, man. We're going up.
See the long fade trick.
See what happened? I might just drive around, cops just want to pick on you, run the tags. That's crazy. How about that tag? Zone 6. Damn.
Hey, what's going on, brother?
What's going on?
I'm Harassed Dallas Police Department. How you guys doing today?
Going good.
Appreciate it. Well, the reason I pulled you over, man, is you don't have a front license plate on your vehicle. Yeah, that's why I pulled you over. Yeah, not a big deal. You got your driver's license on you?
Yep.
Are you recording?
Yep.
That's cool. I'm recording too. Just so you know. You got another car?
Yeah, I barely drive this car. So
This is your car? Or what?
Yeah.
You got insurance for this vehicle?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you don't have to on this traffic. So.
Oh.
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
August 23rd.
You want to give up this night?
If I don't, like, is it an issue?
Nah.
Okay.
At this point right now, no.
Do me a favor. I'm just gonna have you sit out here on the curb, okay?
Okay.
Go and keep that phone in the car.
The who?
Yeah, go and keep the phone in the car. I don't care if you're recording. Yeah, I don't want anything in your hands. You're fine. I ain't in trouble.
What happened? Talking about getting out the car.
So you? Currently, I mean, if anything happens, you need it, I will. Hey, Grandma, we down the street. We got pulled over. I don't know what's going on. I'm like literally like right down the street, like by the apartments. Okay.
What you want me to do?
Just come down here, I guess, cause I don't know. Now they're asking me to get out the vehicle.
I gave it to him to put in something. I didn't want y'all to do this crazy. Yeah, I'll get my ID.
Alright, so man, I just got pulled over for a tag plate, and he talking about, can you get out the car for, like, what do I need to step out the car for? You just need to give me a ticket on what you want to do, and that's it. And call it a day. They be doing too much. Watch, you guys. So it's the next day. So basically, I'm gonna explain what happened. So I was picking up my friend from his house, and I seen these two cops. Well, I made a block, or I turned right, and I made a left. I seen these two cops at a gas station. I don't know what they were doing. They were just chilling, whatever. So, of course, I was just driving the speed limit, driving through, past them, doing about like 25, and then I made it down the street 2 blocks or whatever. I seen these cops coming after me or whatever, slowly, and then got behind me and turned on the lights. I thought it was for probably my windows being too dark, but he gonna pull me off for a front tag. But besides the point, I don't see a purpose in having me get out the car over a front tag plate. All you had to do was find out why I didn't have it on or whatever like that. Or, hold on one second. All right, but you know, like I was saying, he could have just gave me a ticket or warning and then just let me go. Obviously, if you check my record, I have nothing on my background. So I don't know why he was acting all funny. But I don't know. He said something about something, yeah, we have a lot of cops get ran over down the street, so we gotta actually get out the car. Man, I don't believe that. It was not much traffic on that street. It just something just to do, you know. And then we got cars drive by, people wondering what happened. Ain't nothing happened, we ain't did nothing wrong. All we did was get pulled over for a front tag plate. And then they just making a big deal and making a scene. making us look bad, but we all good. I ain't really tripping, but leave in the comments what y'all think about these cops or whatever. Also, let's resume to this car meet video. Also, do y'all think it was worth getting out the car over a front tag plate? Or he could have just came up to the car, do what he had to do, and then just let us go? What do y'all think of that? What do y'all think? Just leave it in the comments. I'm gonna be looking through it, reading it, so yeah, just let me know. Alright you guys, so I arrived at the meet. I'm gonna show you guys what's out here right now because it's about to rain out here, as y'all can see. So, hold on. Got everybody out here. Red to red, yes sir. Chris NYC. This must be you right here, yeah? Yeah. Mopars. Huh?
The miles are coming soon.
The miles coming soon? Bro, there's Mopars everywhere. Mopar taking over. But I didn't even know it's gonna rain today either. What is going on? We're getting some of that hurricane weather.
Yeah, Laura and what's the other hurricane?
We hear them coming in. Katrina, wait, I don't even know what it's called, man.
I don't know, one of them is Laura.
Bro, Mopar is taking over.
That's crazy.
Alright now? Alright now?
What's up, boy? What y'all got
Go
going?
ahead and tell you who you is, man.
Huh?
Tell them who you are.
Oh, bad little man. Say, man. Say, it's another car meet down there in downtown somewhere.
Somebody said something. I don't know exactly where though.
I passed through there a while ago. It was, I sent off the highway.
Oh, okay. Yes, sir. He came in here jamming and stuff. Oh, this Mustang on some slicks right here. Oh, he got them Harassed wheels on there. It's loud. I need to hear it before it leave then. They got Spider-Man on this car right here. That thing clean. Oh, all these Mopars. Mopars taking over. Chris NYC. Got this Hellcat right here. All these Hellcats. And see what's down here for you guys. You got a Camaro right there. Whew. That Charger right there. Bro, let me get at this wide body right quick. I know I just walked past it, I forgot. But here's the wide body right here, Daytona. Outlaw right here. Outlaw. He got that Daytona Hellcat. He just changed it up though, said Outlaw. Yes, sir. 728, where you at, man?
Hey, where you at, man? You all over the globe.
You right? Hey. None of that. Come on, man.
Like, don't get me demonetized.
Come on, man.
What you up to now? About 50K?
No.
TJ famous, bro.
No.
He be so low key, man.
None of that.
Driving around, don't nobody know.
Oh man, quit that. Cut that out.
I forgot who video I was watching. I seen your same exact rap and everything.
I know, Real told me that.
Yeah.
Real, he thought it was me.
Yeah,
I said, what?
You thought that car was me on your video.
Oh yeah, I know. It looked just like it though. It looked just like it. You go down here and get it.
Look, we got more people pulling in.
Make sure y'all give him a good tip for delivering the pizza. Yeah, $9 or more. Yeah, no. Here's the Mustang Road talking. Say again, some Gap sauce. Gap sauce. He been holding his own. I've been seeing the videos. He been rolling with the stick shift. Somebody
He's a little turbo.
There goes the twin.
I know, there goes twin right there. What's going on?
They saw you like 3 weeks.
I know,
Yeah,
man.
you too famous, man. You too famous. Boy brought out the truck.
About that Viper.
Yeah.
Viper SRT10.
Viper
yes,
truck,
sir.
yeah.
We see.
He's playing. Who was at the meet yesterday?
Man, they cutting up out here. Hey, there's some people out here from Memphis. I see some Tennessee tags. He said, oh, his hometown.
Yes, so. You say so.
I know. Oh, officer, huh? But it's like on purpose. That's cool. I mean, already, man. Yeah, he from here. Hey, where you from? I see you in the comments. Now you came way down here. Tell them who you is.
Oh, yeah, I'm your boy Tessa, man. Like, share, subscribe, man.
I know I see you in the comments.
Hey.
It is what it is.
Look at this CTSG, man.
Yeah.
You about to hit it?
Yeah, he wanted to get rolling first.
Right.
Yeah, you're right, Tennessee.
Yes.
Got that top down.
He want to park up right. He want people to see he want people to know that he's here.
Yeah, he's like, what's that?
What's going on, man? What's going on, man? They probably hate him too.
Yeah.
We see you with the doors off. Look, we see her. And she got TV on the dash. I didn't even see that. That's crazy. Copyright. Hello? Hey, who in this? Oh, Zay told me. That's crazy. I think the cake is hot. That's why it looks like that. That's because. Hey, you bringing the crowd over here, man. I did that on purpose. We got that Hellcat. Yes, sir.
TJ, don't be doing my car like that. Okay.
What? I already recorded your car, man. Bust down. Hey.
He got for real quick.
Bust down.
You can't buy nobody doing my car.
Oh, whoa! I just seen that. Yeah, I thought it looked like fireworks for a second. It looked like fireworks.
That's the part.
Man, the wrap is nice. She said, right? How long did it take them? Couple days. A week. We got quick tip right here, yellow tape. Yes, sir. Y'all go follow him on Instagram. Yellow Hellcat. This thing nice. Huh? Oh yeah, what's up, bro?
What's the deal?
Got that Mustang right there? Yes, sir. Alright y'all, if y'all enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.